Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a short little video comparing the Boxycharm Base Box and the Boxycharm Premium Box to see which one is the better deal. Okay, so I have both boxes here, and as you can tell, one is quite a bit bigger than the other, but we're going to go ahead and dive into the base box to see what's inside of that one first. So when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is this cute little card, and this is going to tell you the name of everything, who it's made by, what it does, and how much it costs. Okay, so let's dive right in. The first product I'm going to pull out of here is the Benefit Porefessional Primer. This stuff is so amazing. I've used this for a few years. I really love it whenever I feel like my pores are really big and I really just need the extra help like smoothing everything out. The next product I'm going to pull out of here is the Elemis Superfood Cleansing Foam. Now this packaging is so cute. It's so bright and it feels really heavy too, so it's like very luxurious. I love that it's a foam. Now for the third thing I have in this April base box, it is the iconic London Illuminator Drops. I've heard so much about this and I'm really excited to try it. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this all the time, like with or without makeup. It's just going to give me like a really pretty like glow from within, like a natural glow. Also, this retails for $41. So the fact that the box itself costs less than these drops is insane. The fourth thing in the box are these super cute brushes. They are from Lavish and it is the 5-piece brush set. So these are so colorful. They are so cute. These will be awesome to have on hand. The last thing in the April base box is the makeup eraser. Now I actually love these. I have one for everywhere I go. I leave them at my friend's house. I have like 2 in my shower, 1 at my sink. I love these things. So they have completely replaced makeup wipes for me. I'm trying to be way more eco-friendly and I feel like this is much better than using a bunch of disposable wipes. So I'm all for this. I love these so much. So excited to have this. So the first thing in April's premium box that I see is the Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette. Now this retails for $45 and oh my gosh, it looks so freaking pretty. I hear something in... Oh, it's got a full-size eyeliner in it too. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love Smashbox. All of their stuff they make is literally so good and it's so freaking pretty. So you can see it has some really bold tones over here. It has some warmer ones. So I feel like this palette is really great because you could do like literally any look with it, especially since it comes with an eyeliner. So this is going to be amazing for travel. Super excited for that one. I love Smashbox. So number 2 in premium box, we are opening the Peach and Lily The Goods Acid Pore Toner. This is so cute. I love the turquoise packaging. It's vegan, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, 100% worry-free. Love that. Wow, this is so freaking pretty. Has AHA and turmeric. This is beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited to use this. It's actually a glass bottle, so that's really awesome. So we are moving right along, and number 3 in the premium box is going to be the La Vito, I believe is how you say it, the Age Away Replenishing Cream. Now this stuff retails for $69. So I am expecting to put this on and look like a freaking baby afterwards. It says that it's supposed to help diminish dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture. So I'm excited because I have been having some texture problems lately. And let's take a look. This packaging is so cute too. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am really excited to try this. This stuff seems really awesome. So I'm going to try this probably tonight. So number 4 is going to be this IGK Good Behavior Spray. This I'm really excited about as well. I've been having such problem with frizz. I don't know if it's all the rain in LA or if it's because I got my hair done recently or what it is, but I have had so much frizz. So I feel like this is going to be really awesome. And it also says it's a heat protectant, which I also ran out of. So it says it's the keratin-like treatment in a can with 24-hour frizz control with 450 heat protection. So that sounds amazing. I actually use IGK's dry shampoo whenever I have my tape and extensions because I try not to wash it a lot. So I love all of their products. I've never tried this one, but it looks amazing. Next product I have in here is from Nude Sticks, and this retails for $28. I'm so excited to try this one as well because the color is so pretty. I really love the packaging. I haven't ever really seen a lip color in a packaging like this. So I think that's super creative, and it also seems like it would be really good to just like have on the go, toss in your bag, and not have to worry about if the packaging is going to break on you. So the final thing in April's premium box is by m.greengrass. Now this is a dry oil spray, and it says it's for body, face, and hair. So let's see, it says spray and massage the oil into the skin or hair. Let's see, I want to smell it. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so bomb for photo shoots for summertime. Wow. And this is a huge bottle too, so I feel like that's gonna last a long time. So super cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. And make sure you subscribe so you can see all of my future content. If you want to, turn on those bell notifications so that way you get notified when I post a new video. And peace.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh my god.